Hello everyone, welcome back to the virtual workspace. This is the 20th video in series mastering virtual app and desktop. And today's video, we will understand application groups and tag. So uh, application groups are collections of application um, that we can assign from same delivery group or multiple delivery group in one application group. And tag means just a, a label, the metadata label which we assign to the server to segregate that server as per the use. So first we will create a tag, and then I will show you how to create a application group. uh, we can create application group as per as per our environment requirement. Let's say suppose if we have a 10 server in single delivery group, and two server we want to use them for testing or development purpose, or normally we do the windows patching. So and you want to use them, that two server, for patching, windows patch testing, or suppose if you have any application published from that delivery group, and if there any application version upgrade, and for that you want to use that two server for testing purpose, and remaining 8 server for the production. Now we have this two server in our delivery group. So I will use one server for production and the other one server for testing purpose. So we can test the Windows patches and the application version upgrade also on this test server, and after the testing we can replicate same to the production. So now first I am creating a tag and segregate this server. The one server is for production and another is for test. So to create a tag, go to the delivery group, and just click on the multi sessions machines, and right click on machine and click on the manage tag. So I am creating one tag first for the prod server, production server. So this tag I am assigned to the first server, and after that we will create one more tag for the second session or server. So tag is created for this server. You can see here. um, Similarly, we will create one more tag for the other server. Manage, create a new tag, and test server. So we have created two tag. Let me save this. So now we have created two tag. One is for test and one is for production. So now to the the first server we will use for production application, and the second server we will use for testing purpose, for patching or application testing. So the tag is created. So now we will create a application group for that. From Web Studio we need to click on application and then select application group and click here create application group. So as I explained earlier, application groups just a collection of application, and we can add application from same delivery group, or also we can add application from a different delivery group into single application group. So let's create application group now. So using this option, restrict launch to machines with tag, we can define here to launch application from specific server. So first application group I am creating for prod, and we have already created tag for and assigned that tag to the server. So now I am selecting this tag prod, and f- there is one server from this delivery group. The tag is assigned. Here we can see this one server from this delivery group. So I am selecting two things here. One is tag, which we assign that to the server and the delivery group. So I am just click. So if suppose if you have the two or three delivery groups, and you assign that tag, that also you can select that here. So now, but we have only one delivery group, so I'm selecting this option, and I'm going with the default um, access list. Or if also if you want to restrict, we can click this option and add user as per your requirement, but I'm going with this default option. Click on next. So I'm going to publish the application here. I'm just selecting the application from start menu. Okay, I'll select this WordPad application and Notepad. Okay, I selected this two application. Click OK. Just go. I will just go to the property and change the application name, as this two application is for prod. So I'll just add name prod notepad. Other all settings are same. Okay, click OK. Same for this application also. I'm just adding name prod. Next. So apps one and the okay, now we need to type here the application group name. So I'm adding prod application. So the uh, application we have published two application, prod wordpad and prod notepad, and this application will launch only from this particular server, the prod server. This is the tag which we assign, and the application group name is prod application. So I'll just click on finish. So similarly, I will create one more application group for test. So the prod application is now application group is created. You can see here, and these two applications are published there. So now I'm going to create one more application group for test. And now here I'm going to select the, so here now see it's showing two servers in that delivery group. But if you just tick this, and if you just tick this and select this tag, it will show the one server, because that tag is assigned to only one server. That's why it's showing one. So I selected here two, two criteria. One is this tag and another one is this group. So uh, now I will just publish the same application. So it is connecting to this particular server, because we are assigned that tag. Okay, here is the list. We will select same two application, WordPad and Notepad. Click on OK. Applications are here now. We just need to change the application name, and then we will create an application group. Okay, so now I'll just change the name. It's dev one. It's I changed the application name development. Otherwise I'll just change it to test one, and okay, test. Click OK. Similarly, I'll change this name for the WordPad. Test. So, test underscore. Okay, so these two application were published. Click on next, and you need to give the application group name. So I'll just change it to test. Finish. So now we have created two application group. One is for prod and one is for prod and one is for test. So that test in same this application group created for uh, same delivery group, and we are using the one server for testing purpose. uh, we can test their patches, patch, as well as if there is any application upgrade. So we can test that first in the test group, and after testing we can replicate that to the production. This will so we have created this application groups for production and prod. I'm creating a folder also for users. So in Citrix Workspace, when user access the application, it will show in two different folder. I'll create a category. So for user, it will show in two categories. One is for production application and one is for test application. So these two application uh, I'm adding to the uh, prod virtual workspace prod production applications. Or I'll just add a name, short name, just prod application, prod AFK. I will add the same name to this application also. For that, just go to the application property and click on delivery. And here you can mention the application category. So similarly, I will create a category for the test application delivery, and I just change name here test, and the last application I'll just change the category uh, to test. So application group are created, and we have created two different categories also. Now we will log in into the Citrix workspace and just check the application. Not now. So if you click on the application here, it's showing this two applications, uh, test and prod. If you click on the category, it two categories it's showing. One is for this category we have created for production, and this one we have created for test. If we launch this particular application, session will go to the first server. So let me uh, go to the delivery group, and we will just check the server, check the current session. Okay. Okay, so currently there is no any active session. So first we will launch the prod application, and session should go to this production server. You can also uh, let me add a tag here, so it will be easy to. If you just click on the column display, you can you just need to select the tag, so it will show you the tag also. So see, now um it is showing the tag. This one is for prod, and this one is for test. So first we will launch this application, the prod application, and session should uh, connect to this server. Let's test that. I am launching the prod notepad. The application is launching, but it will not capture in screen recording as it is uh, on other screen. So but oops. Okay, it is launching. Yeah, the notepad is launched now. Uh, it is on other screen, so it will not in recording. But we can see the session. I have launched that application, and um session is here on the first prod server. So let's try to launch and there is no session on the test server. So launch the test application. Similar notepad I launched. Let me check the session. Okay, so now when we launch this test application session, connect to this test server as per the assigned tag and application group. And when we launch the prod application, the notepad, the session connect to this particular prod production server. So using tag and application group, you can create a multiple application group as per your requirement. This is the one scenario I explained for production uh, and test. You can create a different application group as per your requirement. Suppose in your environment you have a same application version, like you want to keep both the old application version and updated application version active for user. So we cannot install same application on different application version on the same server. For that we need a different server. So but in same delivery group you can install that. Suppose on server 1 you install the application version 1.2, and server 2 you want to install application version 1.3. So accordingly you can create a different tag for a tag for that server, and you can publish two application version from same delivery group. So there are multiple scenario as per our requirement. You can use this feature um, uh, and create a application group. So this is all about the application group. uh, Please like this video and subscribe my channel. And if you have any query or concern, you can ask me in comment. I will definitely try to reply you. So thanks for watching. uh, Please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.